Yesterday we talked about how to write an information book, and our focus was thinking about a topic you could teach about. And then we talked about touching the pages and telling part of your topic that you want to teach on that one page. So I want to show you an example of a student who chose 4 things: art, rock collection, minerals, and playing with their doggy, of something that they could teach. And then I want you to see that I rearranged this page a little, and you will notice that in your journal it's been rearranged. So these are anchor charts that will help you, but I have put on this page topic, and this is this person's topic, minerals. And then there are 3 subtopics, which they will talk about. Each of these on a page are types of minerals, how they form, and mineral care. All 3 of these have to do with this main topic. They are not 3 different things. They are subtopics. So now she will write about types of minerals on page 1, how they form on page 2, and mineral care on page 3. Let me show you this page, minerals. Okay, I'm going to actually add this right here, types of minerals. So she's already started her page. Minerals look different. They come in different colors and shapes. I'm going to do a little editing right here. They are all, okay, and I don't know what she's trying to say. She hasn't finished. Unique, I bet. Just doing some editing. Okay, but that is kind of what I expect to see from you guys. And so I'm going to show you another example of somebody else's. Their digital writing notebook. And this person chose soccer to write about. Let's look at their page. That's been fixed. Topic, soccer. That is the main topic. And then here are the 3 subtopics that they have chosen: positions on a soccer team, actions that might get you a foul, and famous players. Those are the 3 subtopics. All 3 of these that I've highlighted connect to this topic. So then when this person starts to write, on page 1, it says step 3, write that one page. Positions on a soccer team, here's the same picture, and here's where the person will start writing. Your assignment for today is to have those 3 pages written before we have writing time this afternoon. Good luck.